This is Crown Travel. Please like and subscribe. This is me making a dinner right here. I got a lot of different vegetables and fruits in there. Now you see here, it's like onions, plantain, asparagus. That's more onions. You see the green under this plantain, shrimp. It's different kind of shrimp. It's the jumbo shrimp, and the little shrimp. Oh yeah, boy! I'm telling you, I'm the best cook. It's already smelling good. Look at that. Oh yeah. If you're a vegetarian, or vegan, you can eat this. You know, it doesn't matter. It looks good. Can't wait to start eating. Then here, I'm putting it back in the oven, and I'll probably leave it in the oven for like 3 to 5 minutes. So I was trying to find a chance to put it back in the oven here. Please, guys, don't forget, if you're new to this, please like and subscribe to my channel, Zoe Life. I really appreciate you supporting me, and hopefully you can grow up with me. Let me know what you think about this video, what else you want to see me doing. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. This is the best dinner ever. Ooh. It's all done right here. See that? That juice. Look at that shrimp. I got corn, everything. That's a shrimp right there. So, see the juice. Oh, boy. That's a pineapple. I even got pineapple in it, too. Nice. Oh, my God. Out the oven. My mouth is watery. My mouth is watery. Look at that. Asparagus, shrimp, pineapple. I got a couple of slices of apples in there, too. Yeah, that's the corn. And I'm pouring the juice. Oh, yeah. It looks good. It tastes good. I'm pouring some juice on the corn. Yep. I ain't putting no peanut butter, nothing in there. Just different kind of seasoning and ingredient. Look at that. Pineapple shrimp. Made me think about Forrest Gump. Fried shrimp, baked shrimp, shot of shrimp, deep fried shrimp. That's a lot of asparagus. Boy, Zoe, like, I could cook, man. If you can cook, you always find a beautiful woman. She ain't got to worry about her knowing how to cook. You know what I mean? Yep, I decided to cook this. I wish you guys were here to try and tell me what you guys think. But if you can put your fingers to the phone, to your TV, put your finger in there and test it. Ooh, God, look at that. That's a plantain right there. I had plantain in it too. Yeah, that right there, that's plantain. Trying to get the plantain. Oops, no, that's a pineapple. That's plantain. Look, plantain. Some people call it bananas, but it's the bigger one, not the smaller ones. That's another plantain right there. Yep, plantain, shrimp, pineapple, and a lot of asparagus, corn. That's a corn. Plantain, shrimp, a little bit of broccoli. Yep, that's a shrimp right there. Yeah, shrimp. And onions. I use like purple onions. They call them the red onions or purple onions. They're the best onions. They're good for you. This is how my dinner look. Oh my God. Look at that right there. Nice. Yep, I'm gonna throw it back in the oven. And it's going back in the oven for a couple more minutes. Yep, I took a little bit to eat. Yeah, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Zoe Life, man. Support your boy, you know what I mean? I'm a new YouTuber, just trying to make it. You know what I mean? Leave a comment. Please, positive comments only. And feedbacks and what you guys think about this video. Let me know, please. And subscribe to my channel. Let's get my numbers up, man. I'm trying to get these 1,000 subscribers. So let's go, guys. I think that's a pineapple right there. Oh my God, look juicy. Asparagus, corn. Grab a shrimp with a Chinese chopstick. Look at that. Oh my God, my mouth is watery. What's that? Oh, asparagus. Oh yeah, boy. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully you like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. One love, and stay kind.
Hoochie on woo. Pineapple.